Now that you have created an account with Gizmos, you are going to need to create classes. So if you click on this little tab that says My Classes, you should only see class 1, which is a pre-created class. But if you want to add more, like I have with the science lab class, you'll go to your home page, which is just where I'm at right now, and there's a little button that says Add New Class. So you'll click that, and you'll need a tab name. So since I already have a science lab tab, I can add a math tab, where the tab name will be math, and the full name I can do math activities. But you are welcome to do whatever fits best with your class and what material they are learning. So once I did that, I can add Gizmos to my classroom. There are different ways to do it, but for now I'm just going to do the grade and topic one. And since I am teaching a 3rd grade class, I would do 3rd through 5th math activities. I can look at numbers and operations. Let's say that's what I'm working on right now, and that I'm working on whole numbers. So there are 4 different ones that I can use to look at with whole numbers. And if I'm not sure which one I want, you can test them by using this Launch Gizmo button, which takes you to the gizmo and allows you to work on it. So this one, I see that it lets me use the hundreds and tens and ones, and it lets me manipulate them and show new numbers. And if I click the show value, it tells me how much pieces I've put out there. And then if I look at the modes, I can also do adding and subtracting. So this would be helpful to help students learn how to add and subtract using the base 10 blocks. So if I go to adding, it'll show me how to add them and what they look like when I add it. So if this is in line with what my class is learning and I want this to be on my Gizmos class, I would go to this blue button that says Add to Class, and it lets me pick which class I want. So I want it in my math activities class. So I click that, and then to make sure it goes over there, I'll go back to the My Classes and click on Math Activities. Now that I'm here, I am able to see that the whole numbers with base 10 blocks is there. Let's see what happens when I click on Results. So when you click on Results, you'll be able to see your student's name, what day they submitted the gizmo by, and the answer to their questions. So with the gizmos, the students are given 5 questions for each activity to answer based on what they did. So with these questions, you can look at it and see maybe what areas your students are struggling on and reinforce those ideas or see where they're doing really well. And then let's say I've decided that this is all I want to add to the class right now, and now I want the students to come join the class. When I want the students to join the class, I'll come over here and give them this class enrollment code. They'll input that on their computer and it'll allow them to join the class and start working on the activities. And that is all. Thank you.